Hi, the Olympic season is here finally. Now, it's an event once in every 4 years, but guess what? The athletes give their sweat, blood, and tears for this one day of victory to get that medal. But it's not a one day effort, it's years and years of practice. And I know this because I have won 2 Olympic medals with Sushil Kumar in wrestling for India. And this year might just be another overhaul of medals that is going to happen. This year, 117 athletes are heading across to the Olympics, taking part in 16 disciplines and 69 events. Now, I'm going to put the link of all the athletes in my descriptor so you can wish them good luck in the comments below. You can identify the athlete that you want to send your congratulations to and comment below best of luck to them. Now, I want to congratulate the athletes that have already won. Manu Bakar has won 2 Olympic medals. This is a world record for Indians because we've never won 2 medals with the same athlete in the same Olympics. So congratulations, Manu Bakar, for creating history. And if you're a young kid out there watching the Olympics, this is the moment where you decide in the future you want to attend the Olympics. I'm thrilled to share that I'm working with Kenneth Bednarek, Kung Fu Kenny. Now he's the 100 and 200 meter athlete that has got his personal best in the America team trials. Yes, you heard me right. Now this exceptional American athlete is taking the services of an Indian support nutritionist team. And I've been working with Kenny since the Tokyo Olympics, post that, where he was a silver medalist. Now we are working on getting him to becoming the fastest person on the planet. And the reason I like working with Kenny is because of his diligence and discipline. You see, we worked on his genetic test, his microbiome test, his blood test, and we put together in-season, off-season competition, the Diamond League, where he's even beat Noah Lyles, and Noah Lyles has gotten the best of him in the Olympic trials. Noah Lyles has been on top, and he's the fastest in the world right now. But stay tuned, because Kenny Bednarek is being supported by top-end scientific sports nutrition from Ryan Fernando and the team at Quad Nutrition. And the focus of these athletes is what drives me. You see, I get tons of requests from lifestyle clients saying, please take up my case. In fact, in the last 3 months, you would have heard from my team that I'm not taking up any cases because I'm busy with the Olympics. My focus with the Olympic level athletes and athletes in general is this stickler to be disciplined, not only in their sleep and training, but also their nutrition plan. You see, when you give a lifestyle person a nutrition plan, it's always a negotiable element. But when you give a diet plan to Kenneth Bednarek, he's like, you want me to have 90 grams of oat or you want me to have 100 grams of oat? He's not asking me whether I should have oats or should not have oats. So the perspective over there is the dedication and discipline of these Olympic athletes at the highest level. And recently I started working with Punjabi rap star Hardi Sandhu. Now Hardi was an ex-cricketer, and the discipline and the mental grit this guy shows is mind-boggling. So even people who had ex-athletic experience have that grit and determination to follow a plan to the T. They want to be coached. Now, if you want to be coached by me in your plan to become the next best athlete on the planet, all you have to do is fill in the link in the descriptor if you feel you're going to go to the next Olympics. Because hopefully this Olympics, I get a few more medals. And if you're going to win that medal with me, fill in the box. Don't start 1 year before the next Olympics. Start a lifetime before you even get to the thought process that, hey, I want to become an Olympic champion. If you're 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years of age, that's the right time to start. So get in touch with me at the Quad Nutrition Clinics, and me and my team of sports nutritionists can help you realize your Olympic dream, just like all the athletes that are going to be trying their luck and trying their mettle and trying their sweat and blood in these Olympics at Paris. So good luck, Team India. Good luck, Kenny, as you get those medals home.